In this video, we are going to talk about the best cordless grass shears and shrub trimmers that can help you keep your garden neat and well-maintained with minimal effort. Whether you need a lightweight trimmer for small touch-ups, a powerful tool for shaping hedges and bushes, or an affordable option for basic yard maintenance, we've got something for every type of gardener. We know that choosing the right battery-powered grass shear and hedge trimmer depends on your specific needs. Some people need a compact and lightweight option that's easy to hold, while others prefer a more powerful trimmer that can handle thicker branches and dense shrubs. Some may be looking for an affordable, budget-friendly choice, while others want a premium, long-lasting tool that provides professional-grade performance. No matter what you're looking for, this video will break down the top cordless handheld trimmers so you can choose the best one for your garden. Let us know in the comments which one is your top pick or if you've already used any of these. And now, let's get started. At number 5, the Stihl HSA 26 cordless shrub and grass shear is one of the best high-quality trimmers on the market. Stihl is a well-known brand for durable and professional-grade gardening tools, and this model is no exception. It features sharp metal blades that make trimming grass, cutting small shrubs, and shaping hedges easy. The battery is rechargeable and long-lasting, allowing you to use it for extended periods without stopping. However, this trimmer is slightly heavier than other options, weighing around 2 kilograms, 4.4 lbs. So if you have arthritis, wrist pain, or weak hands, it might not be the easiest tool to hold for a long time. It is also one of the more expensive options, priced at around $234.84, making it ideal for serious gardeners or those looking for a premium tool that will last for years. If you are looking for a professional cordless hedge trimmer and grass cutter that delivers high performance and durability, this is a great option. But if you prefer something lighter and more budget-friendly, there are better choices. At number 4, the WORX WG801 cordless grass shear and shrub trimmer is a well-balanced option for cutting both grass and shrubs. It includes 2 blades, a Stihl 4-inch wide grass shear blade for trimming grass edges, and a longer 8-inch hedge trimmer blade for shaping bushes and hedges. The best part about this model is that it uses the WORX PowerShare battery system, which means if you own other WORX power tools, you can swap the batteries between them. It is lightweight, easy to hold, and very efficient for trimming small bushes, hedges, and grass around flower beds and pathways. Priced at around $78, it is a great mid-range choice that provides a balance of power and affordability. If you need a reliable battery-powered handheld hedge trimmer and grass cutter that is versatile and durable, this is a great pick. At number 3, the SnapFresh cordless grass shear and shrub trimmer is a lightweight and budget-friendly choice, ideal for smaller trimming jobs. If you have a small garden, patio, or backyard and need a simple tool to keep things neat, this is a great option. Weighing under 2 pounds, it is one of the lightest cordless grass shears available, making it a perfect choice for seniors or people with weak hands. This tool comes with 2 interchangeable blades, a grass shear blade 3.54 inches wide for cutting grass, and a shrub trimmer blade 5.51 inches long for light pruning. While it is not as powerful as larger models, it is perfect for light yard work, such as trimming grass near sidewalks, shaping small plants, and cleaning up overgrown areas. One of its standout features is the 3 safety locks, which prevent accidental starts, great if you have kids around. The built-in rechargeable lithium battery makes it convenient, and the charger is included. At around $36, it is one of the most affordable cordless shrub shears and grass cutters available, making it a great choice for light-duty gardening tasks. At number 2, the Sunjo HJ604C cordless grass shear and handheld hedge trimmer is a compact and user-friendly option for small gardens. It is designed for quick touch-ups, so if you need a battery-powered grass shear and shrub trimmer for maintaining flower beds, bushes, and hedges, this is a great choice. The 2-in-1 design makes it easy to switch between a 4-inch wide grass shear blade and a 6-inch hedge trimmer blade, allowing you to cut overgrown grass, shape hedges, and trim plants with ease. Weighing just over 2.5 pounds, it is easy to hold for long periods without straining your hands or wrists. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides a decent runtime, and the charger is included, so you don't need to buy extra accessories. With a price of around $45, it is a budget-friendly and practical option for those who need a handheld cordless garden trimmer that is easy to use and maintain. However, if you have thicker bushes or larger hedges, you might need a more powerful model. At number 1, the WORKPRO Cordless Grass Shear and Shrubbery Trimmer is a great mix of price, power, and convenience. If you want a reliable and affordable cordless grass trimmer and hedge shear, this model offers a lightweight design, a powerful motor, and USB-C charging, which makes it incredibly convenient. One of its biggest advantages is the USB-C charging system, allowing you to charge it using a phone charger, laptop, or power bank instead of a bulky charger. It comes with a 2000 mAh high-capacity battery, providing longer runtime compared to many other models. The sharp, interchangeable blades make it perfect for lawn edges, bushes, and small shrubs. The grass shear blade is 4.17 inches wide, while the shrub trimmer blade is 5.9 inches long, making it ideal for detailed garden trimming. It also features a well-designed safety lock system, which prevents accidental starts. At around $30 on $40, this is a budget-friendly yet powerful option for small to medium garden maintenance. If you need a versatile, easy-to-use, and rechargeable grass shear and shrub trimmer, this is an excellent all-around choice. When choosing the right cordless electric grass shear and hedge trimmer, consider your specific gardening needs. If you want a premium, long-lasting tool, the Stihl HSA 26 is the best option. If you need a balanced combination of power and affordability, the WORX WG801 is a solid pick. If you prefer a lightweight and budget-friendly option, the SnapFresh Cordless Grass Shear or Sunjoe HJ604C will work well. But if you want the best mix of price, power, and convenience, the WORKPRO Cordless Grass Shear and Shrub Trimmer is a fantastic all-around choice. No matter which one you choose, these tools will make gardening easier, faster, and more enjoyable, helping you maintain a beautiful yard with minimal effort.